Let's go. Let's get it. Young African respected like inkabi. Fire energy or red like igazi. You can't expect the unexpected, sphuma ekasi. Okay, patience is a virtue, sifuna inkani. Summertime is every day, mntana amanzi. Shake hands forever, humble njengomphathi. Amazwi engiwaphimisayo, engathi Hayi, asimoshi, skhathi. Sihamba, nabaphansi.
Self-taught me, repetition is the mother of skill. Some of the ideas in that book helped to change my life. The title should intrigue you. Think and grow rich.
Lapho, engiphuma, khona, indlala, ngithi say no more. Fnaele, uqine, womelele, njengokhonkolo. Sonke sifuna imali, right, yes, snokonoko. Kati, lele, iziko, skhathi, asikho. Change your life, cause I've seen people who were there before. Life is not a group work, pause. Stop hanging around at the corner store. I've survived a lot, njengonkhonkolo. Shout out to those who hold me down, so young born. Shout out to my brothers across that border. I've survived a lot, njengonkhonkolo. Shout out to those who hold me down, so young born.